Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking Makhumalo breaking the silence. Thobile has responded to swirling rumors, suggesting that she has dropped her husband's surname from the social media profiles. Many were wondering if Makhumalo divorced Moseleku, or there's a trouble in paradise. But Makhumalo, known for her grace, has since addressed the matter directly, clarifying the reasoning behind the decision and putting the rumors to rest. According to Thobile, the removal of surname on her profile is not a reflection of any personal or marital issues. Rather, it is a strategic branding move, part of a professional evolution as a media personality and public figure. She emphasized that her relationship with her husband remained intact and that she continues to be proud Mseleku. She explained, "It's about establishing an individual identity in the entertainment and motivational speaking industry, something she believes is important for her growth as a brand." In the statement, she highlighted that while she is proud of her role as a wife in a polygamous marriage and respect the Mseleku name, she also wants to be seen and recognized for who she is outside of that dynamic. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now until we meet in my next video.